Happy Tuesday tips. Today I want to show you story template apps that I use. One is Spark Post actually right here, Adobe Spark, and then Canva is another one. So you just go into Spark Post and it's going to have your brand settings right here. You see all the different colors that are with Full of Grace Marketing brand. I do see one at the top right hand side. Is called Behind the Scenes. This is a story template. You can see by the size of it, it's going to fit perfectly on a story. But you can also go into, I'm going to just move the little categories into business right here. So I see that the ones laid out more vertical are the stories templates. So I might want to do this one right here, blowout sale. And then you just hit remix this template. And then here's where you can change anything on this template. You can resize, and here's where it shows that it is Instagram story size. You know you have the right size for your story. And then you can hit, redo the layout, design. You can add an image and text, icon, sticker. And then you can always just double click on the text to change the text from blowout sale to anything you want. Move it around, of course. Change I'm gonna hit done. Change the color palette as well. If you need to make it more to your brand, you can. Things like that. Then hit done. Let's see, effects. This is what I like about it as well. Spark does let you do effects and animation. So if I just click, it's a little animated story, which people love, kind of like a little video. So I love doing that. And then hit done, and you're gonna hit the little top right hand setting called share right there, and then share as a still image or share as a video. I'm going to share as an animation, and that's how you save it to your phone. And this is Adobe Spark that I do pay around $10 a month. And then just go to Instagram and share it to your story or save the video right there. But then I also wanted to show you all Canva, which is a free platform, a free app. So if I go to, I wasn't on the home, but if I go to the home setting of Canva, the app, I go to Instagram stories. I just click right there, create a new design, Instagram story. It's also going to give me templates. You can search for different types of templates, but you can use most of these. You just have to make sure it's not one that the photo, if you don't switch out a photo, you might have to pay for the photo, which is only a few dollars. But I'm going to go to, let's say, this layout. And then here's where you can start editing. So you do have to allow access to your photos. You can change the color, filter, the wording on it, anything like that. And then you would also just save this template, save it to your phone as well. So there's a lot of different things you could do here, but that's how I got the templates for Instagram stories. Let me know if you have any questions.